literally freaked out because he'd never seen another horse with something on
it. Yeah, that was Ruth when I put a blanket on Bud the horse. So we have a horse named Bud too. And
I was gonna say, you blanket your husband?
Yeah.
Where is it? Got a nice truck.
She wants to cheat her. She needs to keep that inside. Rein up. Turn to the right. Turn to the left, I mean.
That's how she rides.
Does she do that often? To try to turn around and go the other way?
No, not really. I think it's just the distraction of horses down there right now.
Oh.
Because usually there's horses in and not out.
Yeah.
This is only the second time we worked with horses in it. The first time there was only 2 horses.
Yeah.
Come here. See if she'll side pass. She knows how.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, move her butt.
See how you're doing that at a walk, Shanda? When you're